Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play RuneScape mobile. First, download the official RuneScape app from your device's app store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, simply log in with your existing RuneScape account or create a brand new one if you are a new player. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the mobile-optimized user interface, which is designed for touchscreens. This initial setup takes just a few minutes, getting you ready to explore the vast world of Gielinor on the go. Navigating Gielinor on mobile is intuitive. Simply tap anywhere on the screen to move your character to that location. To interact with objects, like trees or banks, or to speak with non-player characters, just tap on them. The action bar, located at the bottom of your screen, offers quick access to your most used abilities and items. You can easily zoom in and out of the game world by pinching your screen, and rotate your camera view by dragging with 2 fingers for a better perspective. RuneScape Mobile retains all the core features you love. The chat box is readily available for easy communication with friends and fellow adventurers. Access your inventory and equipment through dedicated icons, typically found on the right side of your screen, allowing for quick gear changes and item management. The world map is also easily accessible, helping you navigate the vast and diverse regions of Gielinor. You can even customize your interface layout to suit your personal playstyle, making your mobile experience truly your own. To enhance your mobile gameplay, here are a few helpful tips. Utilize the tap to drop feature for efficient inventory management, especially when gathering resources. For more precise interactions, particularly in combat or when dealing with small objects, consider using a stylus. Adjust your graphics settings within the game to optimize performance and battery life on your specific device. Finally, always remember to save your progress regularly, especially before closing the application, to ensure your hard-earned achievements are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.